Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing the pad's battery so you can access the trigger. Use a T6 driver to remove the visible screws. Keep them labeled so reassembly is smooth. Once the shell pops, gently pry with a spudger along clips to expose the trigger assembly. Make sure to avoid forcing clips. Plastic can break. You want clear access to the trigger arm and pivot. This lets you see where the squeak originates and prepares you for targeted cleaning and lubrication. Now you clean the pivot, cam, and surrounding plastic where friction occurs. Apply isopropyl to a swab and brush away gunk, then let evaporate. This removes residue that causes noise. While you work, manually depress the trigger to trace the squeak and identify any rough edges or burrs. If you find a tiny plastic burr, lightly smooth it with a fine file or emery. If a spring or clip is deformed, note it for replacement. Once clean, confirm the source before lubricating. You finish by applying a small dab of dielectric grease or Ps5 lube on the pivot point to reduce friction. Less is more, and avoid any electrical contacts. Reseat the plastic parts and clips, replace screws in their labeled positions, then reconnect the battery and test trigger feel and sound. If the squeak persists after reassembly, make sure you ruled out a cracked cam or spring. Swapping that component from another controller or ordering an OEM replacement is the next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.